Good morning from day one of the U.S. Nationals in Indy. Let's go racing. Check out that view. All right, I have gotten most of my establishing shot stuff that I needed to get done this morning done. So I'm gonna head back to the pit and start setting up like all the toolboxes, putting all the tools out and everything. Get that taken care of so that when the guys get here, we can put the dragster together. Good morning, race cars. All right, I'm gonna get the lights turned on. Need to get the cover off the dragster and get all the toolboxes set up so that when the rest of the guys get here, everything's about ready to go to start working. Well, that needs fixing. Hello, funny car. Okay, so both toolboxes are set out. I obviously can't get the body off the funny car on my own. So over here, I think I'm going to bridge the dragster motor and get that ready so that Dad can pick gaskets when everybody gets here and this car can go together. That car's already partially together. Austin put that together last night. So yeah. Gotta find my tools for bridging the motor and we'll get that done.
Look at that freaking foot.
I know.
The ski.
This is the back diaper for the funny car. It do be a little toasty. Just finishing up, buttoning up the funny car. We'll start working on the dragster. There's only a few things that we have to get done here on the funny car, but a tab needs to be welded onto the dragster and one on the funny car. So we've got a guy coming over in a little bit to help us out with that. I got the welder all set up over there. So we're gonna get this car finished up.
About 2001, your dad burnt the car pretty bad. About 1 o'clock in the morning, he's out here cutting the body up. This is pretty much the same spot too, wasn't it?
Yeah, right about here. Yeah. And we went to Home Depot and bought a jigsaw. We cut the body up, and we figured we'd sell the pieces for fuel money to get home. It was a rough weekend.
So in Denver, we made Dad a duct tape seat repair, and it held up through Sonoma and up to now, but now we've got Dennis Taylor here making him a new custom seat insert, and I need to wash my face, but we'll get to that later. Mounting and dismounting tires is one of the biggest pains of working on race cars. Cameron and I are running Dad's helmet over to Simpson to get some work done on it, and we came across this old Tow-Mater golf cart. That's pretty sick. We still don't know where Simpson is, though.
There you go, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Successfully got Dad's helmet. Now, on the way back up to the pit, and in like 3.5 minutes, we're gonna be headed up to the lanes with the funny car. We aren't running the dragster because we just didn't have time to put it all the way together and have it be done properly so that we don't mess anything up. So we're just gonna run the funny car, and it should run good. Okay, it's Dad's turn. You got Dad's helmet. On the way back up, just ran a 508 with the funny car. The plan was to shut it off early at 300 feet, and it went a bit further than that and did good. So we're gonna go pick him up, get the car serviced tonight, and be back out here tomorrow. The rack is about ready to come out of the funny car. The heads are off. The blower is off. Everything is basically good to go. We're gonna catch the rack, put a new one in, bridge the motor, get gaskets, and put it all back together.
And the clutch.
Yeah, and that. Alright, now I am going to bridge the funny car motor. We got the rack back in, replaced some sleeves. I'm gonna bridge it, get Dad to pick me some gaskets, and we'll put it back together. The funny car is most of the way put back together, minus the blower being belted on and a few other little things, like we'll have to change pulleys and all that kind of stuff in the morning. But everything is about good to go. We are going to head to bed because everybody is exhausted. And yeah, we'll do this again tomorrow. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things. I will see you guys tomorrow, and never give up.